Hi guys, this is Tatirao. Today we will learn how to call the static and non-static methods. In previous session we had seen static and non-static methods and how to call that also we had discussed on the previous session. But today I create one class. Under that class I create some static and non-static methods and try to call that method. Then we will get more idea again. So I create here first static methods, public static void a. This is static a method, and I create here again one static method, public static void b. You can give method name any name. Here we can give any name. So I am just giving here a b for the understanding purpose. SYSO. Why I am giving here system.out.println, because I am printing this statement. This is static methods. So I mentioned here this is static b method. This is static b method. So again I create here one non-static methods now, public void c. This is non-static method. This is non-static c method, and I print here main method also. SYSO control space together, and I mentioned here this is main method. After main method I create again one method, that is static methods, public static d. This is static d method, public static void. Here I have to give void d. This is static d method. SYSO control space together. This is static d method. So now I am calling first this method, after that this method, then after this method and this. We can call any methods. There is no need to call means from the first to last. We can call, if you want to call first this method, then we will call by creating the object and using reference name and this method name. It will be calling. Yeah. So now first I call to these static methods. Uh, for calling the static method, we need not to create its object of the class. We can just use this method name. I copy this method and I put here inside the main method. Then it will call static methods. First call main methods, because program execution start with main method. After that, then a method. It will search where is a method. Then control flow goes to the here. Then it will call this method. After that, it will go under this. Then it will execute. This is static methods. Then I write here again. I call a b method, static b method here, a b. So now the thing is coming to the non-static method. So I have to create the object of this class. Control C, V, D. We can give any object name here, is equal to new class name. Here this is class name. This is class name. This is a object or reference name is equal to new and demo 7. As per syntax, I am using here d dot d dot c. Yeah, then it will call this method. Then I call this methods d method. I put directly d here because this is call d here because this is static methods. I can call directly. Then I run this program, right click, run as program, Java program. Yeah, it will show console output. Yeah, this is main method. This is static A method. This is static A methods. Why this is? Because from here we did call to this method. Then it will execute this. It has print this block. After that, I call B method. Then after that, I did call non-static method by creating the object. Then after I did call to the D method. This is static methods. Then I put directly D. This is all about calling the static and non-static method.